Frustrated by new sunspots or age spots on your skin? You're not alone. Here is the best natural remedy for hyperpigmentation that fades dark spots and will even out your skin. When skin is overexposed to UV rays, it makes extra melanin as a defense, and that overproduction shows up as dark patches or hyperpigmentation. The good news, recent dermatology reviews confirm that natural compounds like azelaic acid, licorice root extract, niacinamide, vitamin B3, and vitamin C can actively fade these spots. In this video, we'll break down the science and show you dermatologist-approved non-toxic remedies to even out your skin tone. First, let's understand our enemy. Melanin is what colors our skin, and when UV hits, the body produces more melanin to protect DNA. This defense can create sunspots, also called age spots. For sensitive skin types, even low-level inflammation can trigger extra pigment, so the gentler your routine, the better. Preventing new spots, daily broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30+, is essential. In fact, dermatologists emphasize that effective treatment of dark spots begins with sunscreen. Use a tinted SPF with iron oxide to block UVA visible light. This protects against sun-induced pigment deep in the skin. Sun damage, hormonal shifts, inflammation, all increase melanin in the skin. When melanin builds up in certain spots, you get discoloration. But there's hope. Ingredients like niacinamide, licorice root, and vitamin C can gently reverse this. If this resonates already, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps others find this too. When ultraviolet rays hit your skin, melanocytes produce more melanin as protection. That defense turns into visible dark patches. That's why SPF 30+ daily is non-negotiable. And tinted sunscreens with iron oxide work even better. Natural compounds like licorice, turmeric, and aloe don't just mask the problem. They calm inflammation, reduce melanin overproduction, and promote skin balance. Licorice contains brighten, a powerful antioxidant that blocks tyrosinase, the enzyme that triggers melanin. Clinical studies show it gently fades spots without irritating sensitive skin. Licorice root contains brighten, a powerful natural brightener. Brighten inhibits tyrosinase, the enzyme that makes melanin, and also calms inflammation. In skin tests, a 0.5% brighten gel significantly reduced ultraviolet-induced pigmentation. In practice, licorice extract or products with it can help disperse existing melanin and prevent new spots. It's considered safe and soothing, often used in formulations for sensitive skin prone to redness. Mix licorice powder with rose water or aloe gel. Apply to affected areas for 15 minutes daily. It's great for melasma, acne scars, and sunspots. Red onion is rich in vitamin C and sulfur compounds. Clinical tests show it reduces scars and pigmentation by stimulating skin turnover. Dilute the juice with water. Dab on spots, leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. Use 2 to 3 times per week. It tingles slightly, so always patch test first. Potatoes contain catecholase, an enzyme known for lightening pigmentation and balancing tone naturally. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, is a dermatologist favorite for fading hyperpigmentation. It works by blocking melanosome transfer, the pigment shuttle in skin cells, gradually lightening spots. Niacinamide is very gentle, making it ideal for sensitive or sun-damaged skin. It also strengthens the skin barrier, so it soothes inflammation while brightening. Niacinamide blocks pigment transfer between skin cells and is clinically proven to reduce dark patches. The amount to use is 4% serum daily. It also strengthens the skin barrier. It inhibits pigment transfer. Proven to reduce dark spots, strengthens and brightens. Mix aloe with a pinch of turmeric. Use as a night spot gel to calm inflammation and lighten pigment. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is another top choice. It's a strong antioxidant that inhibits melanin production and boosts collagen. A 2023 systematic review found that topical vitamin C significantly lightened uneven photo-aged skin when used consistently. It also fades old sun damage over time. For best results, apply a stable vitamin C serum with at least 10 to 20% concentration each morning under sunscreen. Just a note, vitamin C can be drying, so follow with a hydrating moisturizer. Both azelaic acid and vitamin C have strong evidence supporting their effectiveness. Azelaic acid is grain-based and great for sensitive skin, while vitamin C fights pigmentation and boosts collagen. Use vitamin C in the morning and azelaic acid at night. Azelaic acid is a gentle, grain-derived acid that's a powerhouse against dark spots. It's especially great for sunspot-prone, sensitive skin. Dermatologists even use it for rosacea and acne. In a 24-week clinical trial on darker skin types, 20% azelaic acid cream produced significantly greater lightening of age spots than a placebo. Patients reported smoother skin and high satisfaction. Azelaic acid also mildly exfoliates and fights bacteria, helping with acne-related pigmentation too. Just note, higher strengths like 15 to 20% can sting a little at first, so introduce it slowly and use a moisturizer. Several other natural ingredients have supportive research. For example, aloe vera contains aloe in a compound shown to lighten hyperpigmentation in studies. Green tea extract, which is rich in EGCG, has mild depigmenting effects when applied to the skin. Soybean extracts, known for their isoflavones, have demonstrated some benefit in clinical trials for melasma. Even turmeric's curcumin has been shown in lab tests to inhibit melanin production in melanocyte cells. These ingredients alone are usually milder, but they can be useful additions, for instance, an aloe green tea mask or soy moisturizer to soothe skin and complement the stronger actives above. How do you use all these ingredients safely? Here are key tips for sensitive, sun-damaged skin. Always do a patch test and start slow. Favor fragrance-free hypoallergenic formulas. Dermatologists advise using products labeled for sensitive skin to avoid irritation. Remember, irritation itself can trigger post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, so keep your routine gentle. Also, be cautious of sketchy products. Imported creams, especially ones bought online, have sometimes been found with hidden steroids or mercury, which can thin skin and make spots worse. Stick to reputable brands or dermatologist-recommended lines, and never use household bleach or lemon juice on your face. These can burn skin without reliably removing pigment. Instead, layer your chosen actives under or over a calming base, like a gentle moisturizer, as directed by the product instructions. Stop using harsh scrubs, alcohol toners, or lemon juice. They damage the skin barrier and make spots worse. No matter what treatment you choose, nothing will work if you skip sunscreen. Use SPF 30+ with iron oxide daily. Once weekly, steam with mint or chamomile to open pores, remove toxins, and boost remedy absorption. Finish your routine with rice water or green tea mask toner. These balance pH, shrink pores, and soothe irritation. Start with 1 or 2 remedies and build based on your skin's tolerance. Keep a journal to track changes. You may see a glow in 7 days, but deeper spots take 6 to 12 weeks or longer. Be patient, stay consistent, and your skin will reward you. This routine is safe for all skin types, especially if you've dealt with sun damage, post-acne marks, or hormonal pigmentation. Sensitive skin. Always patch test, avoid fragrances, and stick to trusted, clean brands. Avoid sketchy creams from unknown sources. They often contain mercury or steroids. This video is for educational purposes and does not replace medical advice. Consult a dermatologist before beginning any treatment. Like this video? Subscribe for more science-backed natural solutions for beauty and health on Repair Our Health. You deserve to feel radiant in your own skin. Natural remedies can work, and your journey starts today.